So it's New Year's Day, January 1st, 2022. Hanging out in the NL Grease Monkey garage. And here is the Rhino side-by-side. And as you can see, the box is removed. So what had happened, got the plow installed, had a little bit of snow and I was out plowing, and it was backfiring. Not a deceleration pop or a backfire through the carburetor, but a very loud exhaust pop. Sounded actually like a gunshot. So you can see now, like I said, the bed's removed and there's a heat shield right here. I've got the 4 bolts taken off for that. And you can see, I haven't owned this since new, so sometimes I find some weird things, right? So this heat shield, that's obviously not a factory cut here. Somebody has screwed with that, and that was done to clear the bolt for this exhaust mount. I'm not sure what of that is stock and what's not. It's broken here. This is aluminum. I'm not set up to weld it to fix it, so I may just put a washer there. Something simple, you can't see it anyway. Let's lay that in the bed. So now, anybody here owns a 2007 660 Rhino, feel free to let me know what the heck I'm looking at here, because someone who does not know how to weld somehow burnt that together. That is super ugly. I don't even know what to say with that. And right here, there's something cut from this exhaust. So I'm actually wondering if that's actually the factory exhaust pipe. It looks very motorcycle-ish to me, but I don't know. I've never, like I said, I didn't buy this new and I don't know. Also, there's 2 pipes coming out of the engine here. Which is interesting. I was sure this was a single cylinder, but anyway, shows what I know. I have no idea. Anyway, so this Y pipe comes out here, and for some reason it makes a loop all the way around to the muffler. And right here, again, there's no way that's a factory weld. Definitely something on the go here, not stock. But see these carbon burns? Right here where this clamp is, no trouble to see where the backfire is coming from. So I looked up online, and these exhaust backfires can be caused by faulty ignition, carburetor issues, or leaking the exhaust. So, to keep it simple principle, I figured I'd size up the exhaust first. Hey, look at this. Didn't notice this. Have another exhaust leak right here. And right here. So they're both in a join. So I definitely have a little bit of messing around here to try to get this right. Also, look at the weirdness here. Don't tell me that Yamaha in Japan made it that way. It's actually resting on the rear end, where the side axles come out of. Yeah. So anyway, needless to say, I need to make this right. I don't have the money or the interest to be buying stock replacement parts. So what's here works. I mean, the bike was quiet and ran nice when I bought it. So I'm going to fix up those welds just because they bother me. And I don't want anybody to see that there and think that I did it. So I'm going to fix up that and figure out what I'm going to do with these exhaust clamps to get that to stop leaking, and button it up and call it a job. So I'm not going to be buying anything to replace all that new. I'll make what's there work if I can, which I should be able to. Like I said, it was fine. And that bracket. I may actually make one because that's gross. Anyway, that's where we are. I'll do an update video and show you guys how I am doing as we go along. And that's it. Been a while since I did a video, and as you can see, we're still low tick because nobody watches this anyway. But in any case, for the people that do watch it, I hope you enjoy it. And you know, I'm just a do-it-yourselfer hanging out in my garage, and hopefully you guys might be able to learn something with me as we go through it. All right, cheers. Happy New Year, everybody.